welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lucas, and today we're going to make chocolate pumpkins, and we need coconut spray, dark chocolate, dark orange chocolate, sprinkles, a bowl to melt the chocolate, boiling hot water in a pan, little one. So now let's get started. Put a little spray in each one, okay? Let's do it. First we're going to start with the orange chocolate. Just fill half of the bag, okay? Let's do it. Welcome back to my kitchen. Now we need to take a spoonful and then put it into the pumpkin. So now let's get started. Once your pumpkins are full, just tap it gently on your counter. Now start flattening. Okay guys, now we're going to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it out, and then add some dark chocolate in. Now while that's refreezing, now in the refrigerator, now we're going to pour some dark chocolate in. Ask your girl to help you. Now that the dark chocolate is melted and these are all freeze, now that we're gonna pour the dark chocolate in, then we're gonna do the sprinkles. So let's get started. Really careful. I said don't to help you. Guys, now we're just gonna have to tap it down on each one, and then we're gonna take a hand, a spoonful, dump it on the chocolate. So now let's get started. I can indulge to help you, because you can pour all the sprinkles. Now you need to put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. See you later. Hey guys, welcome back. Now that these are out of the freezer, now we're gonna pop them out. Let's get started. I can indulge to help you. See guys what it looks like? Like a little pumpkin. Mmm.